Welcome to Nano Mastery. I'm so excited for you guys to be joining me and being a part of this 3-month journey together. Together, we're gonna start our journey towards mastering this beast of a technique called Nano. I know that all of you guys here who signed up, you guys are serious and you're ready to go. So let me just kind of give you an overall breakdown of what your experience is going to be over the next 3 months. So starting today, of course, you're gonna be starting your self-directed portion. Every single month, I will be providing you with 3 lessons, 1 every week to build you up to our live event. When we meet live, we're gonna go even deeper into the topics that I have provided you with so I can get an understanding from each and every one of you so we can really pool our knowledge and information and raise the bar for all of us within the Mastery program, okay? So I'm excited. You guys, for those of you who have experienced Hoi Basics already, you know how crucial it is to have these touch points in between the process, along the way in your journey, to not only keep you on track, but also push you and create that forward momentum that we all need in order to be successful in whatever that we take on and whatever that we do. So this month, we're starting off with our basics of skin mastery, okay? It's so important. You guys know it's no longer enough to just know we're depositing in the upper dermis. So we're really going to go through skin in a way that I haven't even done before. So we're gonna look at what you're gonna be looking for before the appointment, during the appointment, and post-appointment as well, okay? What are the different skin conditions that you need to be aware of? And what more do we need to know at this point? Because the living canvas is what we're creating our artwork in, right? So skin is what we're mastering first. With that being said, I'm so excited to begin this journey with you. Let's master skin first, and I can't wait to see you guys on February 21st when we meet live for our very first live touch point. So get ready, get started, and go.